Hi! So for today's video mga Vekla, it's me your host Coffee. So nandito ako ngayon sa Amelia's Garden Resort and meron akong event. Actually, ito yung first event ko this day dahil meron akong event, merong morning and merong evening. So itong morning, 67th birthday, and sa evening naman meron akong 21st birthday debut ng lalaki. And sana kayanin. Thank you so much sa tiwanang binigay niyo po sa akin, Ma'am Gracie. Thank you so much.
Step in the room, lights up, let's go. Coffee spice on the mic, now the energy will flow. From birthdays to weddings, I bring the fire. Raise your hands up high, take the party even higher. Smile on my face, yeah, I'm ready for the show. Sabi ko nga pag ako nag-host, boom, panalo. Laugh trip, kilig trip, vibes all night. I make every moment shine with a spotlight. Turn your host, your diva, your spice tonight. And enjoy bringing jokes, keeping everything bright. From entrance to finale, I'll make it all feel right. Everybody clap your hands, we're celebrating life. Your diva, your spice tonight. And enjoy bringing jokes, keeping everything bright. From entrance to finale, I'll make it all feel right. Everybody.
And of course, pasalamatan naman natin ang mga tao sa likod ng napakaganda, napakasayang selebrasyon na ito. Sayang naman ang agandahan kung hindi rarampa. Once again, palakpakan natin! Mary Grace Sandoy! Dito po tayo sa harap. Bigla ko na upuso ng boses. Palakpakan. Hindi lang ko basta tatayo tapos pupunta dito sa harap. Ano po yun? Sayang po ang 10,000 pesos. Kakanta ka ba? Palakpakan naman natin! Sige po! Oh, wala pa yan. Wala na po bang ibang step? Ayan. Kumusta pogi? Kumusta pogi? Yeah! Question. Okay. How yan naman diba understand Tagalog? Okay, so this is your question. How many children are we? They? A, G, para ako tuloy na hirap. Alright, thank you so much. So, anong talent mo? Kumakanta, sumasayaw? O gano'n ka lang ang talent mo? Magpagpag, ano? Napakadaling talent ko. And now, let's proceed to another heart-warming part of the program.